Home new laser 3D 6+2 axis automatic robot. Simple operation, one click to draw square, draw circle. Three kilowatt laser power can save 16 kinds of laser cutting process. Call at any time. Autofocus, cutting thickness up to 16 mm. Fast cutting speed, high precision. Suitable for 0.5 to 16 mm thickness of stapling parts, 3-dimensional parts, and other parts of the laser cutting requirements. In automobile, large mode, real vehicles, aerospace, and other fields to achieve large-scale application.